This video is on integers and graphing integers. An integer is just any positive or negative whole number, including 0. So that would be numbers like 4, 18, negative 6, negative 27, any positive or negative whole number. And the way we represent them on a number line, the positive numbers always come after 0 and the negative numbers always come before. Now if I'm graphing these numbers, 4, 18, negative 6, and negative 27, I know that 4 is closer to 0 than 18. 18 will probably be about here, and there's numbers in between, like probably 10, 15, and so on. Now when you look at negative 27 and negative 6, the closer to 0 it is, the greater its value. So actually the first whole number next to 0 would be negative 1 and then negative 2. So it's kind of the opposite of what this side does. So I know negative 6 is going to be about here and negative 27 would be about here. When you look at the number without the positive or negative, the bigger it is in the negative world, the smaller it actually is. So we're going to look at some situations to know what kind of integer we would use for it. So salary won $100 in the lottery. That's a positive situation, so that would be represented with the number 100. You don't necessarily need to put the plus sign in front of it because in the universal language, usually a number is positive if it doesn't have a sign in front of it. Stan owes his brother $20. That's a negative situation. Anytime you owe somebody money, that's not a good thing. So it's going to be negative 20. It was 35 degrees in Amsterdam yesterday. That's 35 degrees above 0, so that's just 35. The weather revealed that in Antarctica, the temperature is going to be 50 degrees below 0. That's a key indicator. That's a negative 50 degrees. Now, if I want to graph one of those, like let's say I want to graph negative 50 degrees. Set up my number line. You don't necessarily have to put 0 in the middle. I could put 0 here, and I could count by tens, negative 10. It's really important that you put that negative sign in front. Negative 40, negative 50, and it's right there.